Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Sony LIV autopay subscription. Now you open Sony LIV app. In that you click my subscriptions. After that you shall click manage subscription option. In that you shall click cancel subscription. After that continue to cancel. Now they will ask some options. Can't find anything to watch, facing trouble with subscriptions. In these options you shall click any one of these. After clicking this one, click continue to cancel subscription. That's it. Do as shown in this video.